All right, guys, Mike here with the watch list video for Halloween, Friday, October 31st. The SPY looks like it's kind of rolling over, a little extra volume. I'll use the word scary going to Halloween, but Apple reported an after hours, closed at 271-ish. Check this out. Sold down to 262, but now it's trading in the 282 all-time high area. And then let's look at Amazon as well. You can see what it did in after hours. So two big names just crushing it in after hours. So I think that bodes well for tomorrow, right? So keep that in mind. And I'm going to go into, let me put up this real quick. We always have new people in chat, especially with the deal we're running right now. So I want new people to see this and understand. We're not investors. We day trade based on setups that we teach, right? But intraday setups. And the gist of it is we want to focus on stocks that are in play. So keep that in mind always. All right. So speaking of in play stocks, what are we watching tomorrow? UROY, uranium plays are hot. Had a nice pop a few days ago and kind of flagging there, and a recent high not that far above, which I like. ACRS kind of flagging here at recent highs. Want to watch that one. DPRO, drones got a nice headline today. And interesting, DPRO topped at 1019. 4 sessions ago, and again 1019 today. Over this level, and even back here, what did it hit? 1020. So over this level, maybe gets going, and it does have news behind it now. All right. Another uranium play. Just want to keep it on watch. Not a great looking chart setup, but if they get going, ARBB, I'm going to take that off. I had that on watch. It was trading close to the highs when I put that on the list. Let's pull that one off. All right, VIVS, right there. Nice volume and a pretty strong close. Definitely want to watch that tomorrow. AQMS, not a pretty daily chart, but big volume and a pretty good move. DGXX, right up back near recent highs. I should have had that on bounce watch today with this strong move and then 2 red days, and I didn't, but definitely deserves to be on watch tomorrow. SLDP is on watch. Not a pretty chart, but in after hours, they had a really nice headline, collaboration with Samsung and BMW. And it was a big runner back here. Now it's back down. So this one's interesting. I actually took a loss on it in pre-market. I bought a pullback after the initial pop, and then it actually went way lower than I thought, so I hit out. But right now, as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 554. I do think, let's see what today's high was. Today's high was 544. So it is trading above today's high right now. Anyway, I do think this is absolutely one to watch tomorrow because of that after hours headline. DVLT, one of my favorites. We had a big trade in it back here, and now it's 4 days in a row down into that buy zone between the 8 and 20. So I love that as a potential bounce play. And then lastly, I'm going to put FI on bounce watch. It's pretty beaten up, but you know, stocks that are beaten up can keep getting beaten up. So keep that in mind. You know, and I think we should also watch Apple and Amazon with those after hours reports. Anyway, I'll see you guys in pre-market, and we'll add gappers to this list, and we should have plenty to trade on Friday. I think it's going to be a good day. Have a great night.